Hi, this is Hrithik
My name is Kalyani.
of Kalyani Hrithik House of Fashion. I participated in H-Label fashion show. That's where I met my business partner Kalyani. We were very comfortable with each other in designing part, understanding with that.
Lucky that I met a good business partner who understands me, and at the end of the day, we meet at the same point. So it's good for us, both of us.
Me and Kalyani thought to start our own production house. From there, the label Kalyani Hrithik House of Fashion is started. The first challenge we faced together is designing a kid's dresses, and after that, searching for the proper tailor who can understand our design. After that, we decided to do a show in Delhi called Asian Designer Week.
It's very tough to manage a business and kids at the same time. But lucky for me, I got a good husband and beautiful kids who understand me and what I want to go to achieve. Initially, I used to crochet a lot. I did few dresses and many things, but I didn't know how to put together a garment altogether. So Hamstech helped me a lot with that. I got an idea of how to design a dress, how to use a fabric, mainly plain fabric, and do something beautiful out of it.